Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Priya, aka Beauty and the Books, and as you can tell from that name, we do all things beauty and book based here. But today, we're on the beauty side. We are doing a makeup tutorial. Not just any makeup tutorial, we're doing a Diwali / Bandi Chor Divas makeup tutorial. As it's 2020, Corona. You know, we're not going to be able to do these two celebrations like we normally would have in the past, going to the mandir or the gurdwara with all the friends and family and having everyone around our houses, but that does not mean you can't dress up even if it's just a little bit. So I am just going to take you through this really simple, easy tutorial. So if you want to know what look I'm going to create, then just keep on watching. As per usual, time for the headband. So I'm going in with the Urban Decay Stay Naked and the Nars Sheer Glow, and I'm going to mix them together because one's a little bit darker than the other and it's a nice mix. For concealer, we've got the Urban Decay Stay Naked concealer and then the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. And then we just kind of let it sit for a little bit, you know. Let it fester. To blend out my chin and my forehead, I always use my foundation brush just because I think it makes it a little bit more seamless. And then for my under eye, I tend to use just a really small little blending brush. This one is the JH08 Morphe x Jaclyn Hill brush, and we're just going to blend that out now that it's sat for a little bit. So while that is still wet, I am just going to prime my eyelids. And to do that, I'm taking the Prime Potion by Decay and the Plouise Rumour base in shade 3. So I like to use Urban Decay because it stops my eye makeup from creasing. And then I like to use the Plouise because then it evens out my eyelid tone. And I use the one that's relatively close to my skin tone, so that it doesn't look so stark and so gross. And I'm just blending out both bases with the brush I used for my under eye concealer. And then after this is all done, we shall powder the face. And now it's time for some bronzer, and we're taking the Hoola Caramel Bronzer. So I've just put some blusher on. And some highlight. I just used the NYX palettes for those, and I just soap browed my brows. I don't know how I feel about soap brows yet, but I just do it. So I'll zoom in a little bit closer and we'll get onto the eyes. So we're going to be using two palettes today. We've got the Urban Decay Naked Heat, and we have the Kash Beauty Secret Treasure palette. So I'm going to take the shade Burnt, which is this brown. It's very neutral, very similar to my skin tone. We'll just pop that throughout the crease, I think. Right, so just to pop in the crease with that, we're going to take the shade He Devil, which is that one, and basically put it kind of in a similar place. And I am always one to wing out my shadow, no matter what. So do it round, do it winged. It's entirely up to you, babs. Now I'm going to dive straight into shimmer before we deepen or do anything else. I'm going to go in with the shade Dirty Talk, which is this one here. And just on my finger, I'm going to tap that over the inner portion of the eye. That is beautiful. Did you see that? And I'm kind of leaving this outer area blank just in case I want to put any darker shadows there, just to add a bit of pizzazz, because why not. We're going to take the shade Gemstone from the Secret Treasure palette. Now, because I don't want this to be like intense we're gonna do this on a brush instead. Before I do that though, I want to just brighten up my inner corner. I'm gonna take the shade Chaser, which is this one there at the top, just to brighten this area up a little bit. Cool. Right, time for the shadow. I'm not gonna wet my brush or anything. I'm literally just gonna pop it on. As you can see, it comes off as a really kind of subtle but pretty glitter instead of a full-on glitter. I want to deepen, but I don't want to deepen too much. That is always the big question, isn't it? We're gonna go with a bit of Wreck from the Secret Treasure, and then I'm gonna mix that with a little bit of Ashes there. So I'm just going to work that into my outer V area, build up some of those crease colours, and I'll be right back. This is what we have. Now, time for some liner. I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Love Drug 24/7 Glazon liner. Now you can completely skip this step if you want, but I'm just going to run this over the top of this look as I would do any other. Just like really slight, really subtle. And then I'm just gonna go in with a little brush and just blend it out a little. It really doesn't matter if that's messy because this is just the basis for a little bit of glitter. Now I remember when I started this look that I was gonna do it really simple, but forget it. It's Diwali, it's Bandi, Chor, Divas. You're not gonna wear a full-on outfit, you're gonna have the makeup to speak, you know. So I'm just gonna take the Heavy Metals glitter liner in the shade Punk Rock, and we're just gonna line over what we just did. And because that's kind of got a black base to it, it adds a little bit of depth to your lash line. And there we go. That's a little bit of sparkle, and it's really subtle and you just really won't be able to tell otherwise, and I like it very much. So what I'm going to do now is just my under eye and also my lashes and my brows, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm just, you know, doing my lashes. I just want to show you the difference between the look with the eyelashes and just with some mascara. Obviously I've not put mascara on yet, but I just want to show you the difference. So if you wanted to go to something a little bit more dramatic with some simple lashes, or you just wanted to keep it as mascara, the look pops either way. These are the Elsie lashes from Kash Beauty. Oh my god, I'm in love with these eyelashes. They're so pretty and they're so comfortable. I think these are my favourite style. Right, I'm just going to put some bottom mascara on now, and we're basically finished. I wanted to keep the lower lashes pretty simple and not too OTT. For mascara, I've just used the Essence Volume Stylist mascara. It is one of my favourites. Let's move to the lips, shall we? So I'm just going to kind of foundation my lips, otherwise this isn't going to show up very well. By that I mean I'm just taking the excess that is on my foundation brush and just rubbing it over my lip line. So now that we're back in the early 2000s, right, we're going to go in with the Kash Beauty Lip Kit in Rose Nude. So that is the lipstick, and we have a corresponding lip liner. And then just going to blend the rest of it down. And then we're going to go with the lipstick, just filling in the gaps. And there is the little nude. Also, let's spray the face, guys. I'm using the All Nighter Spray by Urban Decay in Ultra Matte. So I'm just going to zoom you guys a bit further out and we can see the whole look. Okie dokie. So this is the finished look, guys. What do you think? Do you like it? I like it. I like the little subtle, the little bit of glitter on my eyeliner. I think that's just a really cool and fun addition to a look like this, and the eyelashes really make it pop, and I am in love, and my skin looks great, the lips look great, everything just looks great. So this is basically how I would do Diwali or Bandi Chor Divas. I would just look really young, and this would be my glam. I don't know if I'd keep the earrings, I don't know, but this would be the vibe. Nice, cozy, simple, all glammed for sitting at home for a coronavirus celebration. But yeah, so let me know if you like this video, if you want some more inspiration for looks that you could do for the festive period, and then let me know. But apart from that, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all of the good stuff down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. This is my new hair debut on YouTube, apart from the vlogs. Damn, what do you think of the new hair, guys? Can you tell? Can you tell?